Good afternoon, boys and girls. Welcome back with the third regular puzzle. The third regular puzzle is a binary puzzle in today's newspaper on Monday, June the 24th, 2024. And I've already solved two regular puzzles, the 3 stars and the 4 stars Sudoku. It's time now for this binary puzzle number. Let me zoom this. 8780. Yeah, 8780. And before I start, I always count the printed digits. This one has 26 printed digits. And what kind of binary puzzle is this one? Well, let me count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 by 10 binary puzzle. That means in a row or in a column, there are always 5 O's and 5 1s. Alright, let's get started. Double O, here one, there one. Double O, here one, there one. Double O, here one, there one. Now, double 1, here no, there no. Between the ones comes an O. Between the ones comes an O. Double O, here one, there one. Double 1, here no, there no. Between the ones comes an O. Double 1, here no, there no. Between the ones comes an O. Double O, here one, there one. I know between an 1 and an O with 2 empty boxes between, there's always an O and a 1 there, but I do not know in which order. So we have the first one, second one, third one, fourth one, fifth one. So that box should be an O. Between the O's comes an 1. Double 1, here no, there no. Double 1, here no, there no. Between the ones comes an O. Between the ones comes an O. Double 1, here no, there no. Double O, here 1, there 1. Double 1, here no, there no. Between the O's comes an 1. Between the ones comes an O. Then. Think. Double 1, here no, there no. Between the O's comes an 1. Between the ones comes an O. 1, 2, 3. Well. 1, 2, 3, 4. We have 4 ones here. If I place number 5 there, then we have 3 O's in a row in this column. Not allowed, one of the rules, so this can be a 1. This should be no. Double O. Here 1, there 1. Then 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Double 1, here no, there no. Well. 1, 2, 3, 4. One, 2, 3, 4. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4. 2, 3, 4. We have here 4 ones. And an O between an O and a 1 with 2 empty boxes between. There's always an O and a 1 there. But I do not know in which order. So we have the first one, second one, third one, fourth one, fifth one. So that box should be an O. Double O, here 1, there 1. Between 2 ones comes an O. Between 2 ones comes an O. Double O, here 1, there 1. 1, 2, 3, 4. And this is number 5. Then. Yeah. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, 4. Well, I know between an O and a 1 with 2 empty boxes between, there's always an O and a 1 there, but I do not know in which order. Same for here, between an O and a 1, O and then 1. So we have the first O, second O, third O, fourth O, fifth O. So that box should be a 1 then. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 1. So the rest are O's. Well. Oh, well. 1, 2, 3, 4. Here or there. 1, 2, 3, 4. Oh, yeah. Come on. This is taking too long. Where's the opening? The opening. Looking for the opening. Or is it time for comparing? 1, 2, 3, 4. Here we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 O's. Overlooked. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 O's. So the rest are ones. Number 1, there no. Between two ones comes an O. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 O's. So the rest are ones. One, two, three. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Where's the opening? There's only 4. 1, 2, 3. Overlooked something. 1, 2, 3, 4. We have here 4 O's. If I place number 5 here, then we have 3 ones in a row in this column. Not allowed one of the rules. So this can be an O. This should be a 1. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4. We have here between an 1 and an O with 2 empty boxes between. There's always an O and a 1 there, but I do not know in which order. So we have the first O, second O, third O, fourth O. If I place number 5 here, the fifth O, then we have 3 ones in a row in this row. Not allowed one of the rules, so this can be an O. This should be a 1. Alright. Now we have 1, 2, 3, 4 ones. 4 ones. 5 over there, okay. 1, 2, 3, 4. 2, 3, 4. Come on. This is taking too long. I think it's time for comparing. 3. We have here 4. Here. 1, 2, 3, 4. Well, if you look to this row, this row, 1, 1, empty box. 1, 1, 1, 1, 0, 0, empty box, 1 1. So we need to switch these 2 digits. We have an O here, this should be a 1. We have a 1 here, this should be an O. Double 1, here no, there no. Double O, here 1, there 1. Double 1, here no, there no. Between 2 O's comes in 1. Double 1, here no, there no. Double O, here 1, there 1. Double 1, here no, there no. Between the ones comes an O. Double O, here 1, there 1. 1, 2, 3, 4 ones. If I place number 5 there, then we have 3 O's in a row. In this column, not allowed one of the rules, so this can be 1. This should be though. Then let me see. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4 O's. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 O's. So the rest are ones. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. This is completed. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. Here or there. 1, 2, 3, 4. Well, time for comparing again. 1, 2, 3, 4. Need more. I need more digits here. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. All right. Question is, compare the row. The first row. Double 1. No. Should be one of these columns. All right. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 completed columns. Yeah. This one I cannot compare, I believe. 1. How about, double 1. And we have a double 1 here. 1, 0. Yeah. This row, this column, and that column. Last column. 1, 1, 0, 0, 1, 1, 1, 1, 0, 0, 1, 1, 0, 0, empty box, 0, 0. So we need to switch these 2 digits. We have a 1 here. This should be an O. We have an O here. This should be a 1. Alright, double O. Here 1, there 1. Double 1. Here no, there no. And now we have 1, 2, 3, 4. And here still 1, 2, 3, 4 ones. So I need 1, 2, 3, 4. Here I cannot. Need to compare again. Cannot believe this. Stuck again. 1, 2, 3. So between an O and a 1. 2 empty boxes. O and a 1. Okay. But I cannot come. 1, 2, 3, 4. How about the rows now? This time. Double 1 here. Nope. Up here. The one. Nope. Here. This one. Now. This row. First row. And this row. Alright. O, 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 1, 1, O, O, empty box. O, O, so empty box. Empty box, 1, 1. O, O, 1, 1, 1, 1. So we need to switch these two digits. We have 1 here, this should be no. We have O here, this should be a 1. Alright, double 1, here no, there no. Double O, here 1, there 1. Double check 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Double check 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, correct. In 50 minutes. Well. This one is a tough one with a lot of comparing. But we solve it again, and I like this one. Yes, I really do. Do you think so? Thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it also by yourself. Thank you again for watching. And we'll meet again in the evening with other 4 puzzles. Until then, bye-bye for now.